Quantum Healing: Harnessing the Power of Quantum Physics to Achieve Your Goals. A book by A.M. Holmes. Quantum Healing is a self-help book that explores the parallels between quantum physics and personal success. Drawing on the principles of quantum mechanics, the book shows readers how to tap into the power of the universe to achieve their goals and live a fulfilling life. The book covers a range of topics, including goal setting, visualization, and self-actualization, all of which are grounded in the science of quantum physics. It also explores the role of intention, energy, and consciousness in shaping our reality, and provides practical tools and exercises to help readers harness these forces for their own benefit. Throughout the book, readers are encouraged to adopt a growth mindset and to see their setbacks and failures as opportunities for learning and growth. The author emphasizes the importance of taking responsibility for our lives, and of cultivating a sense of gratitude and abundance, in order to attract more positive experiences. With its unique blend of science and spirituality, Quantum Healing is a powerful guide for anyone looking to unlock their full potential and achieve their dreams. Whether you're seeking greater financial success, better health, or more fulfilling relationships, this book will show you how to harness the power of the universe to make it happen. Quantum Healing: Harnessing the Power of Quantum Physics to Achieve Your Goals is available at Amazon. Get your copy today.